Hello, you are on the Wild Nature channel. Penguins are amazing creatures that have conquered the world with their unusual appearance, funny walk, and ability to survive in harsh conditions. Their home includes the icy expanses of Antarctica, the warm shores of South America, and even some tropical islands. In this video, we will dive into the world of these extraordinary birds, learn how they hunt, raise their offspring, and overcome the challenges of the wild. Get ready to discover the incredible story of penguins, true masters of survival in a world dominated by ice and water. Penguins are a family of marine, flightless birds. There are 18 main species of penguins, each with its own unique features. Emperor penguin, the largest species, up to 120 centimeters tall, weighing up to 40 kilograms. It lives exclusively in Antarctica. King penguin, slightly smaller than the emperor penguin, 85-95 centimeters tall. It inhabits subantarctic islands, such as South Georgia, and has a bright orange collar. Adelie penguin, a medium-sized bird, 60-70 centimeters, commonly found along the Antarctic coast. It is recognizable by the white ring around its eyes. Chinstrap penguin, known as the penguin with a strap due to the black band under its chin, it lives on Antarctic and subantarctic islands. Gentoo penguin, recognizable by its orange beak and white patches above the eyes. Found on islands around Antarctica, it is the fastest swimmer among penguins, reaching speeds of up to 36 kilometers per hour. Magellanic penguin has 2 black bands on its chest and inhabits the coasts of Chile, Argentina, and the Falkland Islands. African penguin, found on the coast of South Africa. It is called the jackass penguin because of its loud calls, which resemble a donkey's bray. Galapagos penguin, the northernmost penguin species living on the Galapagos Islands. It is small in size, 50 centimeters. Humboldt penguin, found along the coasts of Peru and Chile, recognizable by its white horseshoe-shaped chest band. Little penguin, the smallest species, 30-40 centimeters, weighing up to 1.5 kilograms, living along the coasts of Australia and New Zealand. Also known as the fairy penguin. Yellow-eyed penguin, a unique species with yellow eyes found only in New Zealand. Rockhopper penguin features distinctive yellow feather crests above its eyes and inhabits the Falkland and subantarctic islands. Royal rockhopper penguin, similar to the rockhopper penguin but with brighter crests, found on Macquarie Island. Erect-crested penguin lives exclusively on New Zealand's islands and has shorter, denser yellow crests. Snares penguin, endemic to the Snares Islands, distinguished by its large beak and bright crests. Erect-crested penguin, a rare species living on the Antipodes Islands with a luxurious yellow crest. Fiordland penguin, found in southwestern New Zealand, recognized by its dark crests and white facial stripes. Northern rockhopper penguin inhabits the Tristan da Cunha and Guff Islands, similar to other crested species but rarer. Penguins have a streamlined body shape that reduces water resistance while swimming. Their wings have evolved into flippers, allowing them to fly underwater at speeds of up to 40 kilometers per hour. When penguins swim, their black backs make them invisible to predators from above, while their white bellies blend with the bright sunlight filtering through the waves, making them hard to see from below. Unlike other marine animals, penguins do not rely on subcutaneous fat for insulation. Instead, they have dense feathers, with emperor penguins possessing around 100 feathers per square centimeter. The lower feathers trap warm air near the skin, while the outer feathers stay cooler than the surrounding air, helping to retain body heat. Penguins also engage in group thermoregulation, huddling together to conserve warmth and optimize energy use. Penguins' legs are positioned toward the rear of their bodies, providing balance on land. This placement makes their walking appear clumsy. They also move by hopping and sliding on their bellies, pushing forward with their feet and wings, a technique known as tobogganing. Penguins spend about 75% of their lives in water, coming ashore only to mate, lay eggs, and raise chicks. Many penguin species form lifelong pairs. Interestingly, males of some species present smooth pebbles to females as part of their courtship. Most penguins breed and raise their chicks in large colonies, which can range from a few hundred to hundreds of thousands of birds. Each penguin has a unique voice that helps them find their mate or chick in a vast colony. Some species lay eggs in burrows, while others use stones. Typically, they lay 1-2 eggs, and both parents take turns incubating them, protecting them from predators and the cold. Emperor penguin males are exemplary fathers. They incubate the eggs by keeping them on their feet under a brood pouch for 2 months without eating, enduring extreme weather conditions until the mothers return with food for the young. In other species, such as chinstrap or Magellanic penguins, both parents take turns incubating the eggs and searching for food. Chicks are born blind and defenseless, relying on their parents, who feed them semi-digested food. After a few months, depending on the species, they grow feathers, gain the ability to regulate body temperature, and begin hunting on their own. Penguins are carnivorous birds that feed exclusively on marine life. They dive underwater to catch food, reaching depths of over 500 meters in the case of emperor penguins. Depending on the species, they can hold their breath for 520 minutes. Their diet consists of fish, sardines, anchovies, krill, small crustaceans found in cold waters, squid, and other small cephalopods. In captivity, penguins are typically fed fresh fish, such as herring or capelin, supplemented with artificial vitamins and minerals to meet their nutritional needs. The lifespan of penguins depends on their species, habitat conditions, and threats from predators or other factors. On average, penguins live 8-20 years. In zoos or specialized centers, penguins can live up to 30 years due to the absence of predators, regular feeding, and veterinary care. Penguins are not only a symbol of survival in extreme conditions, but also a reminder of the diversity and wonder of our planet's nature. However, their future depends on us. Climate change and human activity pose serious threats to these unique creatures. Let's work together to protect nature for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the world of penguins. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.